For reliable plumbing services in Redlands, Highland, Yucaipa, and beyond, trust QuickPros Plumbing, Heat and Air Conditioning. Whether you need an emergency plumber, water heater repair, or drain cleaning, our expert team is here to help. Struggling with water leaks? Looking for an affordable plumber near you? We've got you covered. From San Bernardino to Riverside, our residential plumbing services are prompt and efficient. Don't let plumbing issues disrupt your day. Discover why locals choose us for drain cleaning and more. Visit us online to schedule your service today.